Guys, just wanted to say hi. It's been a while, but I wanted to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving week. And I'm sure you are all looking forward to spending time with family and loved ones and catching up. And of course, making delicious meals that we can all share together. I wanted to thank you guys for a fantastic, a wonderful 2018. I thank you for inspiring all of us to do better, but also watching these amazing transformations that you are all making inside and out, and looking forward to the continued journey that you're on, and making us a part of that. With that being said, part of the coaching that we provide and to help you be successful is to help you through this time of the year, which is the part of the year where we eat the most, where we have the most fun, and really, I don't know if you guys know, but more than half of the weight an average person gains, they gain it these 6 weeks of the year between Thanksgiving and New Year's. And if you have a lot of weight to lose, you will tend to gain more weight that you now have to lose more. So one of the things is really to keep you focused, keep you eye on the mission, and it's really, I know it's hard not to ignore all the abundance of yummy food that's around us, the parties, the sweets, the appetizers, the finger food, and all the things that are not part of our protocol. But remember, these restrictions are temporary, and holidays is no different than all the other days. You just have to manage, and you have to keep your eye on the ball and eye on the mission, right? And so what's most important is really the best way to do this, and the best way to keep your weight in check is really to have a plan. You have a plan when you go to people's houses, you have a plan when you're cooking at home, and really, what can I have? How can I make this better? Really ask yourself that, and always love yourself first, right? You have to look out for you, because if you do a great job, your family's going to support you. They're always going to say, hey, why don't you make this, because I know you can have that. So really making yummy recipes that everybody can enjoy, and we've posted some on here, so you guys can definitely try them, and hopefully you love them. Let us know what you think, and if you make something that's not on here, please send it our way so we can share with others. But really, look at the 3 approaches that we've listed on there, and really see which ones fit for you. Obviously, the going hog wild one, really try not to do that one. So either the iron will approach or the 1 day pass would be probably the best ones to work with, and see which one fits for you. But don't beat yourself up. Just really work on, if you're going to have something, let it be one time, but don't let it be repeatable Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because those are the things that start adding up. And then later, it's very discouraging for you when you come in and the numbers don't match what you think they should be. And we really are, you're putting the work in, so let's keep it going, right? So let's keep moving things in the right direction. If you need more help, we're going to be in the office this whole week except for Thursday and Friday. But if you want to come in and get weighed and really need some kind of a nice little push, we're there for you. Text us, call us, but we want you to really know that we're doing this together. You have a team, and we are your team, and we know you can do it. We've been training for this for a while. So if you are a beginner, you're in the middle, or you're towards the end, you need to have a plan no matter what, because if you're in the beginning, this is really important, because this is, we still have ways to go. If you're in the middle, the same. And if you're almost finishing, you're almost done. So, maybe hang in there and be tough, right? So don't let your brain make you break, right? And make sure that you are planning ahead. We will love to see you around the office this week. If we don't, we'll see you next week. Have a great time with family. Enjoy it. And I wish you all the best. Stay safe and stay warm. Have a great week. Bye, guys.